Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to share with you my latest finished artwork, Spangle. This piece isn't just a drawing, it's a brand new page for my upcoming colouring book. With Spangle, I dived into a creative process that was all about discovery. I combined my favourite flowers and quirky patterns, letting every mark capture a burst of inspiration drawn from nature's own palette. The process was both experimental and enjoyable. I recorded the process in landscape mode for YouTube, capturing every fluid movement and evolving detail. While it might not translate perfectly on Instagram, every angle and texture tells a story of persistence and playful exploration. Even as I prepare for a fresh change next week, a change fueled by the thrill of both experimentation and the challenge of finishing my book, I'm reminded that each piece I create is a step forward in my artistic journey. Every new artwork feels like a celebration of growth. With each video and creative session, this being my 23rd video, I learn a little more about the passion and patience that art demands. In the midst of experimenting and refining my process, I truly cherish the delight of producing something new every single week. It's a journey of continuous learning, where every decision, whether bold or experimental, adds depth to my creativity.